loves. So first I'm starting out with the Milk Foundation in the shade Honey. I love this foundation so much. It's literally my favorite foundation right now. And please excuse my crazy hand. So this morning I did hit 4,000 subscribers, so I just wanted to quickly say thank you guys so much for all the support, all the comments, all the likes. It's just incredible. I love interacting with you guys, and I just love having you guys as my cyber friends. So for concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer, and I'm just going to be placing that underneath my eyes, on my nose, on my upper lip, and on my chin. I don't really do my forehead anymore. So yeah, and of course I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. For bake, I'm using the Too Faced Ethereal powder, and I literally just ran out of this, so that sucks. I have to go to the store and get some more translucent powder. Has anyone tried the Makeup Revolution powder? Because I really want to try that one. But anyways, I am taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC41 just to set the rest of my foundation. So now I'm just dipping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills World Traveler palette. I dipped into the light brown shade called Morocco. This has honestly been my favorite eyeshadow for a really long time. It's just literally the perfect transition shade, and these shadows just blend out like butter. With a clean brush, I'm just going to be going over that just to buff everything out. For liquid liner, I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is pretty much my go-to because it's just so cheap and good quality, so I love to use this one. So for eyeliner on my bottom waterline, I'm going to use the Anastasia Pro Pencil in the shade Base 1. This is just a really pretty cream color, so I thought I would use it in my waterline, and I really love the way that it turned out. Next, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24-Hour Eye Pencil, and I'm just going to be putting that on my upper waterline. For mascara, I'm just taking the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This one has been my favorite ever since I got a sample from it. It's just really bomb, and I feel like it gives you amazing volume. So I have been reaching for it all the time lately. Next, I'm just taking the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I'm kind of a mascara junkie, so I always use multiple mascaras. I just can't help myself. I just love big lashes, girl. So for lashes, I'm taking these Ardell Studio Effects lashes in the style 230. These ones are so bomb, and I highly recommend them. They're just so beautiful. Like, look how spiky they are. They look so good. So you should go out to Ulta and get yourself some of these lashes because you will feel like Beyonce. So my eyebrows have finally healed from getting microbladed. I'm gonna get them microbladed again, like for a retouch in like a month. But yeah, all I have to do now is take my brow powder. This is the Anastasia brow powder in the shade Ebony. I've always struggled with my eyebrows, but now that they're microbladed, it's seriously so easy to fill them in, and I'm just so happy with them and happy with the shape. And I'm just taking the ABH Brow Wiz spoolie and using that to brush out my brows, because that spoolie is so bomb, you guys. And finally for lips, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Milkshake and put that on my lips. For highlight, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I love these highlighters. I would literally just buy this palette for the highlighters. For setting spray, I'm using the Volition Beauty Oil Control Mattifying Mist. I've been really liking how this mist feels on my skin and like sets my makeup. But that's it for the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!